It's important for people to know that colorectal cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death in women and the second leading cause of cancer death in men in Colorado, as it is across the country. Almost 2,000 persons were diagnosed with colorectal cancer in Colorado last year. It's a preventable cancer. The most important thing to consider is family history. So if you have family members that have had colorectal polyps or cancer, you're more likely to have colon polyps or potentially develop colon cancer in the future. So it's important to understand what those risk factors are, discuss those with your physician, because you may need to be screened sooner or earlier than others. There are certain genetic syndromes that are not that common, and chronic diseases like inflammatory bowel disease that increase the risk for colorectal cancer as well. The key thing to remember about colorectal cancer is prevention. So our goal is to prevent colorectal cancer and screening for polyps, the precancerous stage, and removing them. That's the best way to prevent colon cancer. Colonoscopy is the most accurate procedure option to do that. It's a Tier 1 test, considered one of the best options for preventing colorectal cancer. A few important things to remember about Cologuard, other than it's a convenient option, obviously. It's a colon cancer screening test, not a colon cancer prevention test. And it will miss up to 20% of colon cancers in persons that have cancer. And our goal really is to prevent cancer and not diagnose cancer when it requires surgery or chemotherapy or could be fatal. Colonoscopy is more sensitive for detecting polyps as well as cancer, and is preventative, and that's the key. We have a laser focus on providing value for our patients and our communities. And that means great quality care, top-level physicians, great outcomes for patients, and service. We want you to come to South Denver GI and walk away thinking you want to come back to our practice, refer your friends to our practice, that we exceeded your expectations.